Hello friends, welcome to FutureVerse. The journey we are embarking on today is not just a review of a car. Rather, this is a journey into a new chapter of automotive history. This is the story of what lies behind the gates of Maranello, where not just vehicles are manufactured, but dreams are cast into steel and carbon fiber to become reality. Friends, every 10 or 15 years in Ferrari's history, a moment arrives when time seems to stand still. A moment when Ferrari squeezes out every ounce of its engineering, power and innovation to create a machine that the world remembers for the next 50 years. We saw this in 1984 with the GTO, in 1987 with the F80, then with the Enzo and the LaFerrari, and now on October 17, 2024, Ferrari has turned a new page in that book. Today, we are talking about the Ferrari F80. This is not just a new supercar. It is the new king of the prancing horse legacy. This is the car that will set the standards for speed and technology in 2026 and beyond. In this video, we will unveil every secret that makes this the most advanced machine in the world, from its controversial V6 engine to its unique 1+ seating layout. So fasten your seatbelts because this ride is going to be very fast. To understand the Ferrari F80, we have to look back a little. Ferrari's halo, cars, the vehicles that are the company's top-tier products, always bring the latest technology of their time, often derived directly from Formula One. In the 1980s, when turbo engines ruled F1, the GTO and F40 were fitted with turbo V8s. When F1 moved towards natural aspiration, the V12 came in the Enzo. The LaFerrari defined the hybrid era. And now, what is happening in Formula One and the World Endurance Championship today? Turbo V6 engines mated to high-voltage hybrid systems. Ferrari's 499p race car achieved consecutive victories at the 24 Hours of Le Mans using this very technology. Ferrari thought, if this engine can win the world's toughest race, why not bring it to the road? That is why the F80 is no ordinary car. It is the answer from Ferrari's engineering team to the toughest questions of physics. Only 799 lucky individuals will be able to purchase this car. Yes, friends, only 799 units will be made for the entire world, which brings it close to sold-out status already. Now, let's come to the topic that has caused a stir in the world of car enthusiasts: the engine. Many people were hoping that perhaps Ferrari would bring back its iconic V12, but for the F80, Ferrari chose a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine. But wait, before you get disappointed hearing V6, listen to the numbers. This V6 engine alone produces 900 horsepower. Yes, 900 HP just from the engine. Its specific power output is 300 CV per liter, which is a record for any production car. But the story doesn't end here. Ferrari has coupled this combustion engine with 3 powerful electric motors. 2 motors are on the front axle, making it 4-wheel drive, and 1 motor is with the engine. This electric system adds another 300 horsepower. When you combine both these powers, combustion and electric, the F80's total output becomes 1,200 horsepower. This is the most powerful road car in Ferrari's history. The most special feature of this engine is its e-turbo technology. In normal turbo cars, when you press the accelerator, there's a slight delay called turbo lag. But in the F80, Ferrari has installed a small electric motor between the turbine and compressor of each turbo. This motor spins the turbo instantly, meaning the moment you press the pedal, you get power immediately without any delay. This technology is being used in a Ferrari road car for the first time. The interior of the Ferrari F80 is perhaps its most interesting part. Usually, supercars are 2-seaters where the driver and passenger sit side by side. But in the F80, Ferrari has introduced a new term called 1+ architecture. What does this mean? Essentially, the F80's cabin is designed entirely around the driver. The driver's seat is slightly forward and adjustable, just like a single-seater race car. The passenger seat is set slightly behind the driver and is built into the chassis itself so that the cabin width can be minimized. The purpose of this design is to make the driver feel like they are driving an F1 car. The cockpit is so narrow that it gave designers the chance to make the car body much more aerodynamic. There is definitely space for a passenger, and they can sit comfortably, but the focus is 100% on the driver. The steering wheel is new. The instrument panel is digital but right in front of the driver's eyes. and every button and switch is placed so the driver's attention never leaves the road. Ferrari calls this uncompromising levels of usability, meaning this car is a beast on the track, but you can drive it easily on the road. This is a balance that seems almost impossible to find in modern hypercars. When a car has 1,200 horsepower, the biggest challenge is keeping it planted on the ground. Here, the F80's design looks like something out of a science fiction movie. Ferrari has used aerospace principles in the design of this car. The F80 looks very aggressive, futuristic, and tense. Its design language is completely different from previous Ferrari cars. At the front, there is a massive S-duct that channels air over the bonnet. The underbody of the car is completely flat, just like F1 cars. But the real magic lies in its active rear wing and diffuser. This wing changes its position according to necessity. When you brake or corner, it catches the air and presses the car down towards the ground. Ferrari claims that at a speed of 250 km/h, the F80 generates 1,000 kilograms of downforce. This means the car sticks to the ground with such force that you can corner faster than your logical limits would suggest. This downforce works in conjunction with the active suspension to maintain the car's ground effect. The Ferrari F80 is not just about brute force, it is also about brains. This car features an active suspension system, developed in collaboration with Multimatic. This system controls all four wheels of the car independently. For example, if you are passing over a bump, the suspension will instantly adjust so the car doesn't shake. If you are taking a turn on the track, it will prevent the car from leaning. This system is so advanced that it also helps aerodynamically by adjusting the ride height to optimize airflow. Additionally, for braking, Ferrari has introduced CCMR Plus technology. This is a new generation of carbon ceramic brakes derived from motorsports. These brakes can withstand higher heat and their performance does not fade despite continuous hard braking. The electric motors on the front axle not only provide four-wheel drive but also perform torque vectoring, meaning if you are taking a right turn, the computer will send more power to the left wheel so the car turns instantly. All of this happens in milliseconds, and the driver only feels that the car has connected with their brain. Friends, the Ferrari F80 is not just the name of a new model. It is proof that the internal combustion engine is not dead yet. While the world is rushing towards going fully electric, Ferrari has used hybrid technology to show what a petrol engine and electric motors can achieve together. 799 units, 1,200 horsepower, 1,000 downforce, and the One Plus seating architecture. These are the things that make the F80 a legend. This car is the worthy successor to the LaFerrari and has etched its name in automotive history in golden letters. This car is for those who consider driving not just a necessity, but an art. Ferrari has promised that it will be just as fast on the track as it is easy to drive on the road. In 2026, when this car starts appearing on the roads, it will surely stun the world. If you are a car enthusiast, the mere existence of the F80 should be a joy for you, because it tells us that the future of speed and passion is bright. I hope you liked this detailed review and deep dive into the Ferrari F80. We tried to bring every aspect of this engineering marvel to you. Now it is time for your opinion. How did you like the new design of the F80? And do you accept the V6 hybrid engine in place of the V12? Definitely give your opinion in the comments. If you liked the video, please like it. And don't forget to subscribe to FutureVerse so you keep getting updates on such futuristic and high-tech cars. Friends, what topic or which car do you want to see a video on next week? Should we cover the Tesla Roadster update? Or should we do a detailed analysis of the Bugatti Tourbillon? Comment your favorite topic below. The topic with the most likes will be the subject of our next video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.